Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to the COLORSTEEL Awards 2025. It's the perfect setting to celebrate excellence, innovation, and the people who make your industry truly shine.
Tonight is about pausing and celebrating the collaboration, the partnerships, the outstanding workmanship that keep raising the bar. You all play a significant part in the strength of the COLORSTEEL brand.
Our industry is full of fantastic, skilled and talented roofers and installers, and we're sitting in a room full of them tonight.
And thanks to COLORSTEEL.
Thank you to COLORSTEEL.
Thanks COLORSTEEL.
Have a dance, laugh, celebrate, and enjoy the evening with your colleagues. And don't forget, start thinking about the 2027 COLORSTEEL Awards. The team can't wait to see you back. Ngā mihi nui, good night.